Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Welcome to today's Get Ready With Me. So, like I just said, today is Monday morning and I'm going through my weekly Monday morning blues. I go through this every week and it usually starts like Sunday night when I start to wind down in the evening. And, I start getting myself together for Monday. All I think about is the fact that tomorrow, I gotta get up, go back to work for another 5 days in a row until I have another break. However, I actually forgot that I'm off from work on Wednesday, so I have 2 days in a row to go to work, and then I'll get a little break. And then when I go back, it'll already be Thursday, and then next thing you know, it'll be the weekend. So I am looking forward to that. At my job, we actually get to flex our schedules in the summertime. So as long as we still work a full work week, we can pretty much make our own schedule. So I did the same thing last year. I was working longer days, 4 days a week, and I had every Monday off. And this year I'm doing every Wednesday off because I figured it would be nice to have a little break like right in the middle of the week. But it's been fun being able to do that, but this is the last week of flexing our schedule. So starting the following Monday, we go back to having to work our regular schedule. So I'm definitely going to take advantage of having this Wednesday off, my last flex day for the summer. I cannot believe it's August. Like, I say that every single month, but I just cannot believe that we're already in August. Like, July was like a blur, an absolute blur for me. Like, I don't know. Anyway, last night I realized, it was kind of late in the evening, but I realized that I didn't watch last night's episode of Power. I usually watch it as soon as I can on Sunday, and I didn't watch last week's episode either because that was the Sunday that I was on my way back from Florida. So I just forgot about it. Like, I didn't even realize that I had 2 episodes of the show to watch. So let me know in the comments if y'all watch Power. Don't give me any spoilers. Just let me know if y'all watch it. So tonight, I don't really have much to do when I get home from work except for like make dinner. So I'm gonna, come home, relax. I may actually film another video or 2 this evening. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna catch up on Power. So what else do y'all watch on TV? Outside of Power, I think the only thing that I watch on regular cable is the Food Network. I watch a lot of the Food Network, and that's it. I think everything else that I watch is on Netflix. I love Stranger Things on Netflix. That's one of my favorite shows. And I also really like, what's the name of the show? The Crown, the show about the British royal family. That's one of my favorite shows too. I just finished watching a show on Netflix maybe like 3 weeks ago now. It's called Safe. And I don't know the guy's name, but you know the guy who was Dexter in the show Dexter? He's the main character in that show, Safe. That was a really good show. And I started watching Stephen King's The Mist on Netflix. It was okay, but See, this is what I go through on Mondays. I'm like all discombobulated. I'm doing my makeup all out of order. I forgot about blush. I just put my mascara on thinking I'm almost done, and I forgot about blush and highlight because I'm just like, my brain is not completely awake yet. But yeah, what else do y'all watch on Netflix? I just watched a movie called Extinction. I thought that was really good. And I feel like outside of that, I'm just watching like old stuff. Usually when I go to bed at night, I like to keep my TV on until right before I know I'm about to be out like a light. So I'm usually watching reruns of Martin on BET when I go to bed at night. But sometimes I'll watch The King of Queens and Mike and Molly when I'm going to bed too. But yeah, I'm just interested to know like what do y'all like to watch on TV? I'm not putting on any, you know what, I wasn't going to put anything on my lips today, but I think I will do a little bit of lip gloss. Sometimes I don't even bother putting lipstick on when I go to work because the very first thing I do when I go to work is have a cup of coffee, and when I drink my coffee, my lipstick comes right off and it's on my coffee mug. So, but today I will put on a little bit of lip gloss and try to look a little fancy for a Monday morning. Alright y'all, I'm about to go get my day started, so make sure you connect with me in the comments before you go ahead and get your day started. Let me know what y'all have planned for today. Whatever that is, have a very blessed and productive day, and I hope to see y'all back tomorrow. Until then, take care. See y'all later. Bye.